How to change the country in Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change the country in Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change the country in Amazon app, all you have to do is launch the Amazon application here. Then after you do that, tap on the profile like icon right at this bottom of the screen. Once you do that, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find a little flag like icon. That flag line indicates that this is the current country that is selected. So tap on that little button there. Then after that, you just have to go to country region option there and select a country or region that you would like to change to. After you do that, all you have to do is tap on the done button and your country will get successfully changed. This way you can change the country in Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.